Welcome back to TechRums. Today we're going to show you how to change the watch faces for the Xiaomi Watch Mi Watch Lite. So first of all, this you can do it with your phone and the app, but let's do it straight from the watch, which is pretty nice. We can unlock, go to the bottom, scroll from the bottom, settings, watch faces, and here we have different versions of the watch faces. So we have the ivory white. Let's choose that one. So now we have this one on. But once again, also from the menu, we can click, go to the settings. Here we have watch faces, and let's go, let's say, back to what we wanted, maybe just the simple. So we press the simple, and now this is the watch face we have on this watch. And now we can lock it, trying to lock it, and we check it, and there we have it. So yeah, that's how you change the watch faces on the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.